Okay, kind of. Get in.
Who'd he kill?
Get in. Get in, or I will run you over.
Get in, loser.
Dude, Rogue One was awesome. You didn't like Rogue
I'll run
One.
you over there. Get in.
Because Rogue One was a sick shit.
The star just runs away.
You thought I was kidding, huh? I have all the stuff I need to heal you to fall, which is the only reason I did that.
I've got my sights on him, like, right in his head.
There's the energy drink.
Light him up. Do I just light him up?
There's the energy drink.
Can we not kill each other before the enemies get
Stop!
to us?
You ass! No, kidding. Are you kidding me? Really? I gave you all the shit you needed afterwards. Seriously? Can you kill him, Andrew? Come on. He killed me dead. I just knocked him out.
Alright, fine. God. No.
He killed yourself. Execute him.
No, you're getting back up and then I'm
on.
killing him.
Starter fully deserved to be run over.
If you guys all live, then I can't play. Like, this sucks now.
I want no part of this honor party.
Everyone's killing me. Get a frag grenade and kill yourself with it, Andrew.
Star's just crawling.
No, Andrew. Okay, you have to kill Ben Murray and then kill yourself.
Are you actually coming to kill me?
Yeah, probably. Just rather than
No, Andrew, don't do it.
Okay, Andrew.
Just know that you have to kill him, because if you don't, he's going to kill you, and then he'll actually try. You have the weapons advantage.
Hey, Super, if only I had nades.
Then just pre-fire. You have an automatic?
You're the worst.
Andrew, you suck.
I forgot to turn it.
You didn't hit him a single
Ben is our
time.
new god. Ben.
That was embarrassing.
Ben, go into the red zone. Or no, get
Just
the
go
car
and accept
moving.
your
Ben,
fate.
here's how you have to die. Get the car moving as fast as you can go, and then jump out. I do like how PUBG the
Oh crap, that's a trench! Jeez.
Oh yeah, I've done that before.
Can I drive out of the trench?
No, there's nowhere you can go.
That's why they have them.
I like how I think Ben is literally incapable of trying to lose.
I'm trying! There's no one to kill me!
There's no one here.
You have a
I
gun.
swear I'm trying.
Just start
even kill
firing your
myself
gun.
with
Make it super obvious you're there.
Trying his best.
Alright.
Take off the silencer first.
Pew, 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 pew. It just sounds like a laser gun.
Just shoot the car until it explodes.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea too. Stand right next to it. No, you have to shoot the
Not
end.
next to it.
The end.
That's not next to it,
Car
though.
actually explodes. It's gonna take a
I
couple
don't think it
times.
matters
crap.
what
Alright,
part
they're
of the car you shoot. Oh, if you
found
have
me,
nothing
finally.
worse.
Go prone. You did it, Ben.
5 health hero.
Okay, and now win the game.
And I gotta figure out where the enemy are.
That would be so, like, all of it would rush into your nose. Ugh.
I don't know where I was getting
Don't worry.
shot from.
Probably not.
Pretty sure you're getting shot from the
How was this?
That was
East.
like right under that. Is it gonna like, it's gonna be cool.
Alright, there's an enemy. I saw a car.
This is
Where
the
are
part
they?
where
Dang it.
this is the part where Ben also gets 2 people who are completely unaware of the fact that other players are in this game.
Oh crap.
Now he's being shot at. Finally.
You're being shot from behind.
No, it wasn't.
I'm so sad about the clip not working. That was gonna be a great one.
Oh crap. Where am I being
For my
shot?
sick Top Gun montage.
Once you get there, you gotta like prone walk really slowly into the middle in case the next circle sucks too.
How did you not get shot this
Oh
entire
crap.
time?
I got shot. I've already had a couple of standoffs in this location before. Alright,
Just keep going.
just booking it.
I would just
Count.
House, I'm just gonna get
Yeah,
shot.
it counts. It
Refuse
totally
to accept
counts.
No, it doesn't count.
Yeah, it
Refuse.
Oh crap, there's an enemy! I see
Yeah,
it!
get out of your
Go
right.
behind the rock, and then snipe his ass. That's
Crap,
not a
that was the
sniper,
wrong
that's
gun.
a Tommy gun.
Good plan.
Alright, ready?
Or just throw an 8 at him. Yo,
He doesn't even see you.
he's super low. Throw an 8.
You should prone.
Oh, a nade!
A real nade. You don't have any real nades left. Okay.
I have a real nade still. Alright, he's gotta be healing up right now. He's probably not ready for me.
You sure to switch to full
Especially
auto?
not with a Tommy gun at close range.
You sure you're in full auto?
Top 8.
Make sure it's full auto, dude.
Ah, it's on full auto.
Where'd he go?
Where is he?
Maybe he
Over there,
died.
He's dead. He's dead. Somebody else got him. Get down.
Is that
from
him?
Man, this has got to be 2 squads and me.
2 squads that are
How am I
teamed.
not dead yet? The heck is
Okay,
going
you gotta
on
go in
with
the
this
door
game?
with guns blazing.
Alright. Crap! No! They got me! Top 7, boys!
Top
7! Number 6!
You're team 6? What?
Guys, we earned it.
How are there 6 teams left?
Woo! Solo gaming!